For the Kaiser Willys Jeep parts pages, this is windshield wiper conversion kits. Shop online 24/7 at www.kaiserwillys.com. Okay, so here's an example of a windshield wiper motor conversion kit in 12 volt. This is a stainless steel version. We do have this in black as well. Now, this is going to replace your original vacuum style windshield wipers. This particular one fits 1941 through 1968 Willys MB, Ford GPW, CJ2A, 3A, 3B, CJ5, the M38, and the M38A1. Now, if you're wanting to keep your 6-volt system, we do have a windshield wiper conversion kit for that. We also have another one for a 24-volt system that fits the 1950 through 1968 Willys M38 and the M38A1. Now, we do get questions once in a while whether or not these windshield wiper motor conversion kits are made for the left hand and the right hand side of your Willys and Jeep vehicles, and their answer is yes, they will work wonderfully for both. Now, when you do receive your new windshield wiper motor conversion kit, we do have a wiper motor kit installation and instructions on the same page that you do purchase it at www.kaiserwillys.com. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always give us a call at 1-888-648-4923 or email mike@kaiserwillys.com, and we're always going to do our best to help you build your Willys. While you're at KaiserWillys.com, go up and order the latest issue of Kaiser Willys Parts Catalog. And if you know Kaiser Willys, you know that this catalog is jam-packed full of Willys Jeep photos, the Jeep Hunter's Field Guide, color charts, serial number guides, and of course, page after page after page of Willys Jeep parts. Get your free copy today.